Hi everyone, this is Madison with AgriWeb, and today I'm going to show you how to import your pregnancy scans. I've already gone and opened up my AgriWeb. I've gone Livestock, Individuals, and I'm going to come on over here and click Import Animal Data. From there, I'm going to select Import Pregnancy Scans. I have already prepped my CSV file, which includes my visual ID, EID. You can use either or, whatever is most convenient for you. The date scanned is one of the most important. This will tie your record to the day it was done and is a required field. I've also included the result on whether they are bred/pregnant or open. The fetus count will allow you to enter multiples that have been scanned through the ultrasound. The fetal age I have gone ahead and done in days. This will tell you how far along. This is a great feature that will now show as a calving window on that animal's individual ID. The Sire ID is also something I've included for reference, just so I'm able to track which sire these animals are tied to. So I've prepared my CSV. I'm going to click back to my ranch and go ahead and upload my file. So I'm going to have to map some of my columns to the CSV file. So this one is going to be date scanned. Most of my others have gone ahead and automatically routed. My fetal age method is, I'm going to go ahead and select use manual value. And we've talked about it, it's already done in days. Now map to, so my fetal age value, I'm going to go ahead and map to on my deal. I'm not sure why that one didn't cross-reference, but super simple fix. All right, so since I spelt pregnant wrong and used the term pregnant, I'm able to go here and select bred as what I want those two names to default to. I'm going to go ahead and apply that and click next. All right, so here's the information that is going to record. This is my last chance to go ahead and look through this and make sure this is all correct. It has documented my twins, and it has also documented my open animals. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and select Save. And I will be able to view that that data is tied to my animals. Let me grab one of these numbers. 2160 is one of them that I went ahead and did during that bulk upload. So here it's going to show me that they are pregnant and that my calving date is March 11th of 2026. We hope you guys love this new feature as much as we do. Have a great day.